Hey guys, this is the part 2 where I train my my friend because I don't want to give YouTube my number.
Match starting.
I'm gonna take this, bro. I'm gonna take this.
Okay.
Where we go?
Round starting.
Okay. Whoa!
Yes,
whoa!
I'm healing.
Whoa!
Oh shit! Oh man! Yeah, shotty. Oh shit!
I got this. I got this.
Oh goddamn!
Yo, bro.
Yeah!
Yo, you the best.
I don't know.
Okay, should I get this gun or pistol?
This gun. Okay.
Round
So now.
starting.
Oh, they have a trampoline! They have a trampoline, that's why they can fly. Okay, 56. Okay.
No, I'm getting killed. Oh, almost.
No!
I hate this game already.
He sniped me.
I hate this game already.
Okay, these are sweats. Okay, these are sweats. Wait, come like this side, this
Wait.
side. Come this side.
Round starting.
Okay, I know.
I see them. Wait, I'm trying to carry.
He hit me somehow.
Yes.
Oh. Bro, he shotgunned to me. Okay.
You shotgun too.
No, I don't want it. It's too bad. A revolver is better.
I'm gonna take a bomb.
Bro, I actually like bombed him.
Oh
So one of them needs to be low. Bro, my,
How did I die already?
wait, you know what? I'm getting the shotgun. Okay.
Round starting.
Bro, what happened? Bro, I can't change while I'm in the match. Oh. Okay, I'm low. No, he killed me. You got this.
I'm gonna die definitely.
Okay, okay, he's in the middle. Okay, he's going on. Okay, he's.
I'm genuinely can't do anything because of this.
He's aiming at you. He's here. Okay, he's here. Come on, bro. You did a great job. You did a great job.
But I did him 140.
140, but he is 200.
I did him 140. How was he not dead?
Bro, he has 200 health.
Oh. Come on. I hate this game.
Let's go.
No. I'm genuinely gonna delete this.
No. Please don't. This is my favorite game. I'm literally carrying
Round
you.
starting.
Wait, I'm gonna bomb them.
Come on. Okay.
Oh shit. I'm gonna try to at least.
Okay. He's so low. Let's go. Oh, bro. This is so. Okay.
This is so good.
I'm just gonna put one trampoline.
Round starting.
Okay.
Oh, I got him with a grenade. I think. What the fuck?
No. Okay. GG's.
Bro, I'm never playing this again.
Okay. Let's do a 1v1.
You never hit like that.
Guys, I think he doesn't like this game because there was sweats. Okay, I think bye guys, he's never played this game again.